Hello everyone and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and few stocks for the trading. So let me start with today's trading session of Bank Nifty, and we can see there is a daily chart, spot price chart, and we have seen one more sideways zone on weekly expiry as well, and the time cycle is very much nearer, so expecting a good movement, maybe either side, maybe it will be in downside or might possible it will give upside breakout, but time is very much near to give the breakout for the Bank Nifty. And today's candle is totally inside of this the previous day candle, so that is also one another sign on Nifty Bank Index. So let me convert this to the 5 minute time frame. So we are going to mark the levels, and definitely we will start with the day of today's trading session high and low. We have seen some gap down opening today, and then market recovered and filling this gap and gap resistance, and again falling down and continuously in a sideways for entire day. So today was a sellers weekly Bank Nifty, and expiry of weekly almost for sellers of options. Okay, because no much movement, so there is no good opportunity for buying options. So let me start with the today's trading session high and low. So first of all, the low of 22,267, which we have marked, and high is around 22,504. So these are the two levels we can see as important part of for next trading session. So now let me see the range is very much narrow. Yesterday's trading session and today's trading session, if we combine, then today's trading session candle is totally inside of yesterday's range. So very much important is if the yesterday range somewhere here this is broken out downside or maybe from upside, we will see momentum accordingly on that direction. Okay, but we are going to mark the level for the proper area of support, and still the support for Bank Nifty which comes around 22,106 we will keep as it is, which we have marked for yesterday for today's trading session. And the area of resistance might possible somewhere here at 22,700 or 800, something like that. So let me mark the level first and then I will show you. So 22,760 is the area of resistance for Nifty Bank. So 22,100 is support area, 22,760 is the area of resistance, because we have seen Bank Nifty not able to sustain at this level. If it is crosses this level, then it will be a good momentum upside, or might possible some kind of resistance somewhere here. 22,760 might possible for Bank Nifty, and this is the levels we need to watch for tomorrow's trading session. And let me mark the levels for the Nifty index. And yeah, last day trading session low, Nifty index has broken here, and we have seen it is trading near to same zone for an entire day. After opening gap down, it is facing some resistance of gap. So let me mark the level first. $11,498.50 is the low, and 11,587.20 is the high of today's trading session. So this is the range, and let me mark the level for the support. And if we can take a support from this point to this point, so almost the 61% comes near to this area. So I'm going to mark this swing low 11,450. Okay, we will take it as a round number below the 61.8. 11,450 is the area of support for Nifty index for tomorrow's trading session. And for the high, we have seen this is the area of final resistance here. So I'm going to take a retracement of from this level to today's trading session low, which comes around almost 11,700. So we will keep as it is. 11,700 for Nifty index is a great resistance, a stiff resistance. 11,450 is a good area of support for Nifty index. So these are the levels you need to watch for Nifty index for tomorrow's trading session. That is 18th of September. Okay. So let me give you two stocks for a couple of days or for tomorrow's trading session. This I will start with the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let me check the McDowell also, because 15-minute time frame is good. Okay, so levels are same, 555 crosses. You can buy this stock and you can expect this move around 562 or 565 somewhere. Keep your stop loss below this low. Another opportunity is for Axis Bank. Axis Bank 15-minute time frame. If it is broken this support area around 438, then you can keep as a trade of short selling, expecting a move till this area 430, 431. This is a swing area of support, and keep your stop loss above this high around 445. So you can keep these stocks as for your watch list for tomorrow's trading session. First of all is the McDonald, United Spirits, and second one is Axis Bank, which is for shorting opportunity. So these are the two stocks you need to watch out for the next couple of days, and you need to watch for the index levels also for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's it from my side. If you like the video, you can hit the like button. If you are not the part of subscriber, you can subscribe to my channel and wait for another video. Thank you so much.